Now let's move on addition of fraction. Now when we have to do the addition of like fraction, how we are going to do that? If you see this sum, you will see that the denominators are equal. So when our denominators are equal, so we will write the common denominator as your 9, which is your common denominator. Then in the numerator we have 1 plus 4 plus 2, which is 7 upon 9. So this is your answer, and this is how we are going to do addition of like fraction where the denominators are equal. Now let's come to addition of mixed fraction with same denominator. Now this is a sum of a mixed fraction where we are having, if you observe that the denominators are same. Now in this case we have two methods, and I'll be explaining you both the method. You can do in any of the method. So let's move with the first method. So now first method which we are going to take here, we will add the whole number, your 8, 3 and 2, which is your whole number. So first we are going to add the whole number. Now let's take them separately. 8 plus 3 plus 2. So we have first taken the whole number, and now we are left with the like fractions. So this we take in one bracket. 4 upon 9, again 4 upon 9 and 2 upon 3. Sorry, 2 upon 9. So now what we have done, we have separated the whole number and your like fraction, we have separated that. Now if you are going to add this, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is your 13. Now in this case we are having 13 as a whole number, and if you see the denominators are equal, so obviously we'll take denominator as common, and 4 plus 4 plus 2, which is 8, 9, 10. So 13 plus 10 upon 9. Fine. Now as I have told you that when the denominator is small, we will change into mixed fraction. So this value we will change into mixed fraction. Now the mixed fraction, when you are going to change this into the mixed fraction, we are getting 1 upon 9. Is that clear? Now as this 1 is your whole number, we'll take this 1 this side and we'll write 1 upon 9 like this. Is that clear? Now 13 plus 1 is your 14, and 1 upon 9 we will write as it is. I hope so that is clear to everybody. In this we have separated the whole number and the like fraction and we have solved them separately, and after that we have combined them. So this is your first method. Now let's come to the second method of this. Now let's see this. Let me write this thing here once again. 8 4 upon 9 plus 3 4 upon 9 plus 2 2 upon 9. Is that clear? So now we will change this into, we will convert this number to improper fraction. So means mixed fractions, it is given in mixed fraction, and we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So let's do 9 8 is 72 and 4. So it is coming 76 upon 9, then 3 9 27, 9, then 18. Okay. Is that clear? Now as our denominators are equal, so we will take that as a common. So 76 plus 31 plus 20, which is your 127 upon 9. Now beta, if you are going to divide this, okay, and you will change into mixed fraction, the answer will be coming 14 1 upon 9. So if you compare that this and this, they are having the same answer, you can adopt any of these methods. Okay, but my favorite method is this one. Now it depends upon you which method you are going to adopt. Is that clear? Now let's come to the other thing, which is, now let's do to add like fraction. Now here we have to add unlike fraction. We have learned how to add like fraction. Now let's see how we are going to add unlike fraction. Is that clear? Now this is the sum. 3 upon 4, 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 12. Is that clear? So first we will, now as if you observe over here, the denominators are not equal. So when the denominators are not equal, in that case beta, we are going to take LCM. So first we will take the LCM of 4, 2 and 12. So beta, if you are going to take the LCM of this 4, 2 and 12, you will be getting 12. So now the LCM is equal to 12. Is that clear? Now one by one we'll bring this number down. So let's take the first one, 3 upon 4. Now we know our LCM is 12. So 4 3s are 12. Similarly 3 in the numerator also. So we are having 9 upon 12. Clear? Then let's see 1 upon 2. LCM is 12. So 2 6 similarly 1 6. So 6 upon 12. Okay. Now we are not going to reduce this thing over here. Now we are left with 5 upon 12. LCM is 12. So 12 ones are 12. Similarly 5 ones are 5. So this will be 5. So we have received this value and this value. Okay. Now we need to add them. So 9 upon 12 plus 6 upon 12 plus 5 upon 12. Now we have made the denominator equal. So this will be 12 and 9 plus 6 plus 5. So this is 20 upon 12. Now can we reduce this to the lowest term? Yes, we can reduce. We will reduce to the lowest term. This we can cut by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 10s are 20. So we are getting 10 upon 6. Again we can 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. So answer is 5 upon 3. Is that clear? Now if your denominator is small, so we can even divide that. 3 1s are 3. We can write as 1 2 upon 3. I hope so it's clear. So this was to add unlike fraction. Now let's come to addition of mixed fraction with different denominators. Now when the denominators are different, in that case, and we are having mixed fraction, in that case what we are going to do? Again we can have two methods for that. So let me discuss first method. So now in this case, first we can change the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So 10 2s are 20, 23 upon 10. 23s are 60 plus 61 upon 20. Then 41s are 40 and 47 upon 40. Is that clear? Now denominators are different, so we will take the LCM. LCM of 10, 20, 40. Now if we are going to take the LCM of 10, 20, 40, we will be getting LCM as 40. Okay, so LCM is equal to 40. Now one by one we are going to solve them. 23 upon 10, LCM is 40. So 10 4s are 40, 23 4s are, if you are going to multiply that, beta, it will be coming 92. Clear? Then let's see 61 upon 20. We know LCM as 40. 20 twos are 40. 61 twos are 2 ones are 2. Twos are 12. Is that clear? Now the next one, that is 47 upon 40. We know the LCM as 40. 40 ones are, and this will be 47. Now this and this has to be added. So what we will be doing, we will bringing them down. 92 upon 40 plus 122 upon 40 plus 47 upon 40. Now denominators are common, so 40, if you are going to add this, beta, you are getting we are getting this as the answer. Now we need to reduce to the lowest term. If this is cancelling, fine. If we are not able to cancel that, then we will change this into mixed fraction. So the answer which you are going to get will be 1621 upon 40, which is your answer. I hope so the first method is clear. Now let's do the second method of this. We need to do the second method of this. First method we have done. Now the same sum with the second method. Fine. Now in this case, beta, if you see the second method, you will be observing that I told you that we will be taking the whole number separately, and then your unlike fraction we will take differently. Okay, so first we will take 2 plus 3 plus 1. We have separated this. Now let's take this fraction, which is 3 upon 10, 1 upon 20 plus 7 upon 40. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This we are having 6. Fine. Now for this we need to take the LCM. Denominators are different, so we'll take the LCM of 10, 20, 40, which is your 40. Is that clear? Now this 6 we are leaving it here. Let's proceed with this bracket. Okay, so first 3 upon 10, LCM we are having 40, so 10 fours are 40, 3 fours are 12. Other one, 1 upon 20, 40 LCM, 20 twos are, so 1 twos are 2. Then the third one, this which is 7 upon 40, so what number we have received? We have received 12 upon 40, 2 upon 40, 7 upon 40. Now we need to add them. So 12 upon 40 plus 2 upon 40 plus 7 upon 40. So which is your 40 as common, 12 and 2 14, so it's coming 21 upon 40. Clear? Now in this case, if you see that whole number is 6 and over here you are having 21 upon 40. So if you are going to combine that, 621 upon 40 is your answer. Is that clear? This is your second method. Now let's compare that. This is your first method where the answer is 621 upon 40, and the second method where your answer is 621 upon 40. Hope so. It's clear to everybody. Fine. Now let's see addition of fraction and mixed number. Now over here in the previous sum you have seen all the numbers were your mixed fraction, but over here this number is not in a mixed fraction. Okay, so one more thing is there. If suppose over here we would have got only 10, beta, in that case we would have put 1 as the denominator. Now in this case, how we are going to solve that? So we will change this and this, which is a mixed number, we will change this into improper fraction. 3 8s are 24, 25 upon 8. This we will write as it is. Then 17 upon 12. Now take out the LCM. Now LCM we have got is, if you want to do that, your LCM you will receive will be 24. Fine. Now one by one we'll bring the values down. 25 upon 8, LCM we are knowing is 24. 8 3s are 24, so 25, it will be 75. Then come to the next one, which is 3 upon 4. 4 6 are 24, 3 6 are 18. Then this is your 17 upon 12. Now we are going to have 2, 34. Is that clear? So now the value which we have received is 75 upon 24, 18 upon 24, 34 upon 24. So we are going to add them. So 75 upon 24 plus 18 upon 24 plus 34 upon 24. So we'll take this as 24. Now beta, if I am to add that, 8, 19, 17, it's coming 127. Now this value is small, so we will change into mixed fraction and your answer will be 5/7 upon 24. Hope so this is clear to everybody and no problem is there.